Hello, I'm High Heel Knight. Welcome to my channel. This is a very special edition of High Heel Hump Day. I'm visiting the childhood home of my very favorite friend in the whole world, Jill O'Lantern. You've seen Jill O'Lantern many times in my videos, but this time around she'll be behind the camera because during my trip I couldn't pack my camera stand, so she has to do the camera duties for it. But just wave hi, Jill, for me.
Hello.
And we're looking at a couple of Jill O'Lantern's shoes. Now, she has a fantastic collection. Maybe one day I'll be able to get into more details, more sort of fancy style stuff. But it's a quick visit, so a quick video. We're going to look at three types of shoes. We're going to look at first these boots, these calf boots. They're dark brown. They're from Faded Glory. We're going to look at these black booties. These are from Chinese Laundry. And we're going to look at these espadrilles from Naturalizer. We're going to do something a little bit different with the breakdown section. Normally I have this section where I have my 12-inch ruler and I go into deep dive and explain them, but because I'm operating from remote, can't really have that option, so we're going to do some video close-ups as well as some still picture close-ups. But I think you'll find it entertaining nonetheless. So with that said, let's start off with, so we have these calf boots from Faded Glory. Has about a 3-inch heel. It has straps that go across the side all the way around to the other side, as well as in the back of the calf, it has this little strap here. And as I was looking at these shoes before filming, I was checking to see the straps are adjustable, and they are a bit adjustable, but that was a big surprise to Jill O'Lantern apparently. How long have you had these boots?
A while.
A while.
Who knew?
Well, I guess when you have perfect legs and perfect feet, you can just perfectly fit into any pair that they put on sale. But for me and my big feet, I always gotta adjust to see how adjustable the straps are. Yes, they're very nice, very cool, and we'll have some nice still pictures in a little bit to get these closer look. But yeah, I like these boots. I've seen her wear these a couple of times. They're very excellent on her, and the straps look even much better when there's actual a person's foot inside. And now we have these black booties from Chinese Laundry. As many of you know, I love wedges, so I'm happy that these are on here for you to check out. It's a nice little wedge with this bit of an angle. Again, this is about 3 inches, and it's pretty solid the whole time. There is a tiny bit of a heel, but it's not really that much, it's just a little indentation right there. But it's pretty much flat the whole way. On the inner side, there is a zipper. Help slip in and out. And on the outer side is this 3-point scrunch, I like to call it. The scrunch goes around a little bit, but because it's black, it's very hard to see unless you go close up. So I would take a lot of pictures and I would give a nice little detail close up of it. But yeah, these are very cool. This is very stylish. And I imagine these are probably pretty comfortable to wear all day, right? Yes,
they're very comfortable.
Yes, exactly. I love wedges. Anyone has a problem with heels, just try wedges first and you'll get the hang of it. Now we come to my personal pride and joy because this shoe is part of my collection now. Jill O'Lantern let me have these a couple of years ago after I helped her move for the 3rd, 4th, 5th, or 6th time. I don't know, it's probably around the 3rd time. Now these are espadrilles, and they're from Naturalizer. They are discontinued. I looked to see if there was something online. They do have similar pairs, but nothing like this online. And if any of these shoes are available online, I'll have a link to them in the description. Now you can see the frill part is folded over a bit because, you know, it's just very old, but these are very cute. And the toe area here expose 3 toes. There's mainly 2 toes, but the little middle toe can be seen just a little bit. Of course, depending on how the person is, and we have to try it on again. And yes, her very cute and adorable toes do show, the 2 big ones and just a little bit of third. And on the back we have the adjustable strap, and there is a bit of elastic on the inner side to help with comfort. And I imagine these are also super comfortable as well, right?
Yeah, it's been a while, but yeah, I think they were.
Oh yeah, so I love these, and I usually have them up in my room as decorations because not only do they look great, but they help remind me of my fantastic, awesome, wonderful friend. For those of a video close-up, now we're going to have some still pictures, and any printed information I can find about the shoes will be displayed on the screen, so take a look. Okay, so that was a nice little glimpse into Jill Lantern's collection. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if I do ever get a chance to explore her full collection, I will, because trust me, slice of heaven. In the meantime, be sure to share whatever comments you like in the comment section. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, or dislike, share, and subscribe. Once again, I'm High Heel Knight. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you, Jill Lantern, for being my camera person today. Please say goodbye to the folks.
Bye, everybody.
And remember, find inspiration every